Hello students, under the lesson disaster management, today we are taking the next part of the lesson. Yesterday we had seen what is fire and the different types of fire. Inside it, the fire caused by the solid substances is called as a class A fire. The fire caused by the liquid substances, it is called as a class B fire. Then gaseous substances, if responsible for the fire, then that is called as a class C fire. And the fourth, if chemical substances are responsible for the fire, then it is called as a class D fire. And at last, if the electric appliances, the fire is caused because of electric appliances, then it is called as a class E fire. So that we had seen yesterday. Now today we will see the next part, that is the methods of fire extinction. If fire by mistake the fire is caused, then how we can extinction to stop. Okay, so methods of fire extinction, there are three main methods to stop the spread of fire or to control the fire. Okay, to control the fire or to stop the spread of fire, we have to use some methods, and these methods inside, the first method is, that is cool out, and for that we are using the water. So if you see, the we can, to extinguish the fire, water is most common and effective solution which is available easily. Means any home, every home inside water is there. We are storing the water for the different household work and for drinking also, and water is available everywhere. Okay, so sometimes fire is caused because of the solid substances, otherwise by solid substances, then we can use the water to extinguish the fire. So here what they told you, if you spray water on fire or around the fire, it creates cooling effect and helps to control the fire. Okay, and we can control the fire by using this water. Second method is the, that is suppress the fire. Suppress means to press, means because of what happens, we are not providing the oxygen to the, if you know that oxygen, when we are providing oxygen to the fire, it burns. If oxygen is absent, oxygen is responsible, oxygen helps for burning. If the oxygen we are not providing to the fire, then if what happens, the fire will extinguish. So here what they gave us, that is to control the fire which is caused due to electricity. To control the fire which is caused due to electricity or oil, sand or soil can be used. So we can use sand or soil. As you know that if the petrol pumps and all, if it is there, okay, in that places, if you see, there are some buckets, red color buckets are there, and inside sand is filled up. Okay, it is the government rule is that we have to keep the fire extinguishing means inflammable material is there. So in that places we can see the buckets that fill up of the sand. So by using the suppressor, by mistake any by mistake, suppose the oil get the, or electricity, by electricity or by oil, it gets the fire, the substances catches the fire, that time we can use that sand which is kept inside that bucket, and that is the method called as a suppress the fire. If we spread the froth like substances on the fire, it cut off, and the contact between air and the fire, what happen, fire cuts off. Suppose this is the oil material, oil is there, and if we it catches the fire, and if you put the sand over it, then what happens, the contact of air and that oil, what happens, cut off, and due to this what happens, the fire can extinguish. This method is more useful to extinguish the fire spread due to the oil. That's why the petrol pumps are there. Okay, near that petrol pump, what, there are the buckets which are filled with the sand. Okay, next it is the keep away flammable substances. Keep away flammable substances. In our home also, there are so many flammable substances are there. For example, suppose our gas cylinder is there, that is a flammable substance kept inside that cylinder. So in this method, all the flammable substances are kept away from the fire. All the flammable substances we have to kept away from the fire. For example, paper, wood, dry clothes, these things are there, they catches fire very fastly when it comes in contact with the fire. So these substances we have to keep away from that fire, and due to this also what happens, we can stop the fire. Any wooden article or flammable substances must be kept away so that no source is left for the fire to spread. Means there is nothing is there to catch the fire, or this fire cannot spread. That whatever substance is burning now, that substance only burn and this fire can stop. But if that substance comes in contact with the other things like paper, otherwise wood, plastic, then what happens, this catches the fire and it spreads all over. So stir up the pump in the best device to put out the small fires. Okay, and it sprays water all the direction around the fire. So stir up pump is there that we can use if fire is there. So that is the third method that keep away the inflammable substances. By using this method, we can control the fire of by spreading. So first method is the there are methods inside. We see in the cool out method. So inside it we are using the water. The fire caused due to the solid substances we can control by using this method. Secondly, if the fire is caused because of the oil or electricity, we can use the suppress the fire method, and we can control the fire by the another method, and that is the keep away flammable substances. That is the method, and due to this also what happens, we can control the fire. Okay, now precautions and the safety measures. Precautions and the safety measures. Under this, develop the habit of switching off the gas regulator when not in specially during night. So that habit we have to develop in us, that is when its use is finished, especially in night time, we have to what, off the switch of the gas regulator. So this is the precautionary measure. We can by mistake, suppose the by short circuit or any another way the fire is caused or the substances catches the fire, we can control it. Switch off all the electrical appliances when we are going out. So by this also we can take the, if these precautions we are taking, the fire will not catch any substance from our home. To make other alert, call them for help, shout loudly. Okay, for other alerts means suppose something was happen, just you shout and alert the people, those who are around you, and due to this also what happens, the life of the other people also get saved. Second, call fire brigade. Call fire brigade. We have to call fire brigade. So we have to call the fire brigade, so the fire will get extinguished very fastly, and provide information how to use fire extinguisher. Means suppose there are red color fire extinguishers are there in the big places, like suppose malls are there, otherwise hospitals are there, petrol pumps are there. At that places this fire extinguisher are there, and how to use that fire extinguisher, how to use this fire extinguisher, that training. Okay, then next first aid. Now if the area get what, catches the fire and person get, what happens, the person get, so the person if get shocked because of this fire, at that time which first aid we have to take, that we will see now here. So first of all, let the patient sit. You've seen that if the person get choke up inside that fire, then what happens, its clothes burn, its hairs burn. That if the clothes are made up of polyester and all, what happens, it's stuck to the body. So at that time what happens, we have to take the precautionary measure and call the doctors immediately, so he will do the proper treatment on it. Next, it is a landslide or rift collapse. Next disaster is the landslide or the rift collapse. What are the reasons of marine mishap in Pune district? You seen that, I think you had listened this news, that is in the Marine village. Okay, the morning time the bus was gone in that village, and the village was not there only. Actually that Marine village was there. It is at the base of the hillside. Okay, and in that village what happens, due to the landslide of this mountain, what happens, all the village get buried under that landslide, and all the peoples get died from that village. So that is the mishap happen in the Pune district in the Marine village. What are its effects? all the living things, all property, peoples, animals get die because of this marine mishap. Then what is landslide? Actually, when the land, this is a mountain, suppose is there, heavy rainfall is there, at that time what happens, the loses upside soil loses, it becomes loose, and what happens, it slides, and what happens, moves down, and this is called as a landslide. So here natural cracks, fissures present in the hard rock causes their breaking. What natural cracks are there, suppose, otherwise what fissures are there, then hard rocks, means hard rocks are there, they breaks, especially at the time of heavy rain. Water entering in the cracks causes weathering of these rocks, so rocks get weather because of this. Weight increases, weight increases, and these rocks slides on the slopy region and settle at the lower side, and this is called as a collapse of rift. Means suppose this mountain is there, so here some cracks are there, suppose on that mountains, so inside it what happens, water, rain falling is there, rainy seasons, inside a heavy rain is there, so water get what absorbed by this soil, and it becomes loose, and this is get slide off from this region, and what happens, it slides from here and it comes over this place, and this is called as a landslide or the collapse of the rift. So what are the reasons of the landslide, we will see now. So first, after effect of the natural disasters like earthquake, tsunami, heavy rains, storms, flood causes landslide. Due to these reasons, what happens, the landslides, which are those reasons, earthquake also causes the landslide, tsunami if it is there, heavy rain is there, storms are there in the which region, mostly in the desert region, big hills of the sand hills are there, it get fly away because of storms and settles at the another places, and this is also happen because of this storm, and flood also causes the landslide. Next, unlimited cutting of the trees. As we know that the trees, when it grows, what happens, its root, what happens, holds the soil around it very firmly with these roots, and due to this what happens, the soil erosion is not takes place, soil will not flow from here, so we have to cover the area with the trees, okay, and this also what happens, the soil erosion can stop because of this also. So here unlimited cutting of the tree causes the soil erosion, so this is also the reason because of the soil erosion takes place. Third, while building roads in mountains, while building road in mountains, there is a lot of digging, there is lot of digging that makes the mountain weak, okay, as you know that for baking so we are making the roads on the mountains, otherwise for nowadays we are for the windmills also we are making the roads on the high mountains, and due to this reason what happens, the mountains become weak and landslide takes place. Now next it is the what are the effects of landslide. Just now I told you the example of the marine village, in that we seen that all the property, all the peoples, all the animals, trees on that area is get what happens, get buried under that landslide. So this is the effect of the landslide, but we will see one by one. So here first, river get flooded and change the path. River get flooded and change the path means what happens, if on the way of river, on the way of river, suppose landslide takes place, it changes the direction, it changes the direction, and water what happens, collect at that place, and what happens, flood will takes place. Suppose this is the river, it is moving, and here landslide will takes place. So due to this what happens, water from this area increases, so the region, the villages which are present behind that landslide get the situation of flood, and the due to this what happens, the river is flowing in that way, but it may change the direction, it will flow from this direction due to this landslide. Next, there is a life and financial loss on a large scale as tree, building, rocks and the slopy area collapse. What they told you, there is a life and financial loss means persons also dies and financial loss also takes place on large scale, okay, with these trees, buildings, rocks, slopy area collapse and low on the low lying area. So this is the effect because of takes place because of landslide. Next effect is the landslide effect if affects the traffic. landslide affect the traffic. So as we know that there are so many roads are there, on that what happens, the mountains are there nearby. So if the landslide is there, then what happens, the road blocks, and due to this traffic jam will takes place in that region. Fifth, landslide destroys plant life on it. So that plant life which is present at that place get destroyed because of this landslide too. Next, in Maharashtra, where do the traffic jams occur due to the landslide? Make a list of such a places, and what do you the landslide occurs at those places only, discuss in the classroom. So first of all you have to make the list of these things, then we will discuss regarding to this. Now the next that we seen that what is the causes of landslide, we seen that the deforestation means cutting down of trees, then earthquake, tsunami, heavy rain, storms, flood, these things are there. While building the roads, mountain, because of this what happens, mountains become weak, and due to this reason landslide takes place. And its effect we seen that the rivers are changing the direction, rivers get flooded, displacement in the water, that I forgot to take, I think, displacement of water place falls, formation of water reservoirs, these things are there. On the way the water falls also, what happens, displaces means changes the place, and formation of water, artificial water reservoirs. Then life and financial losses also takes place. Trees, ecosystem in that area get changes, landslide affect the traffic, and landslide destroy the plant life, that we seen this is happened because of the landslide. Okay, so the next part is the disaster relief planning, that is a big part, and that we will discuss in our tomorrow's lecture. Okay, so today what you have to do, you have to write the, as we know that we have seen the three types of disasters. First is the earthquake, second we had seen that is the fire, and third we seen that is a landslide. So you have to, today you have to write down the causes of that earthquake, fire, and the which landslide, then its effect on the environment, and what are the causes of it, that we have to know, you have to note down in your notebook. And with these different types of fires, and you have to learn these types of fire, why they are, which means types of fire you have to learn. First aid means all this overlook the lesson, and you have to take out the notes related to it, which are the important for you. And tomorrow we will discuss on this, that is the last part of the lesson, that is the disaster relief planning, and then we will finish this lesson. Okay, so today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.